Hey guys, Ron Bruder with the Bruder Real Estate Team. Today I'm here in front of 4870 Quail Run. This is an incredible custom built home. It has 3529 square feet. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, does have an office, 2 living spaces, just a great home. Lots of space here. It sits on a little over an acre. Incredible location. You're minutes away from New Mexico State University, the gorgeous New Mexico State University golf course, Memorial Medical Hospital, and just minutes away from I-25 to get on the interstate. So come on in and let's take a look around. As you walk into the home, you'll notice all the custom features. You have the beautiful Southwest saltillo tile, nice wood ceilings and wood beams in the ceiling. Right off of the entrance, you have a nice office area with custom built cabinetries and French doors. Then you walk down into the formal living room. Does have a little step down there, but has a beautiful Kiva fireplace, French doors going out to the back area with the pool. And then right off of there is a beautiful formal dining room with a built-in cabinetry. The home does have solid wood doors and wood encasement windows. The kitchen has beautiful Talavera tile, backsplash, and countertops. Just got that great Southwoods feel. You have these beautiful windows looking out to the pool area as well. It is nice and open to the family room, which does have a fireplace. Off of the family room, there's a great outdoor area, very private. You can have a table and chairs out there. Lots of outdoor living space in this home. The home was built in 1985, but most of the mechanicals have been replaced. The roof was totally torn down and replaced in 2015. The exterior has been painted with the elastomeric paint coating. It has 2 new air conditioning heating units. They're both train units. And the pool heater and filter was replaced as well in 2016. The house is ready to go. Again, lots of character to the home. Home features a huge master suite. You have beautiful nichos in here. You have French doors heading into the shower and tub area. You have double sinks with Talavera tile. 2 huge closets. There's a his and her closets that are absolutely enormous. Right off of the bathrooms is also an area. There's an exercise room area, and the previous owner used it as a art studio and painting room. The 2 guest bedrooms are located on the other side of the home. It's a true split floor plan, perfect if you have older kids or teenagers. The guest bathroom has double sinks, tub shower combo, and the saltillo tile. The home has several outdoor spaces. It has a beautiful pool. It's probably 11 by 24. You have this great huge patio here. Off to the left of the home is a grass area for a kids' playground and a storage unit there. To the right of the home is a half acre that is totally fenced in with 2 outbuildings with electric. There's RV parking over there. There's room if you wanted to do an in-law apartment. I really want to thank you for taking this tour of 4870 Quail Run. Again, it is 3529 square feet. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, does have an office, sits on a little over an acre. It's an incredible neighborhood. I grew up a street over and thoroughly enjoyed growing up here. Still a very desirable area because of the location and proximity to shopping, hospitals, the university. Give me a call, Ron Bruder, 575-312-7330, or visit our website at www.homesforsalein Las Cruces.com. Thanks, have a great day.